The ceiling fan light is embedded in design. Nice looking. Overall, simple and atmospheric. We're going to show you what this fan is all about. This is a 42-inch ceiling fan. We're going to unbox it, show you what you get inside. As we open up the package, we have the instruction guide on top. Your parts on the top, covered in plastic. Unwrap everything. Plastic blades, wood grain finish. Each blade measured from tip to tip, 19 inches. Your lighting and plastic cover to the dome that simply screws off. Your bracket that's flush mount to the ceiling with its cover. And your motor that we're going to hook up to the blades and the light and the bracket. Transmitter, receiver, remote control, 2 AAA batteries not included. The instruction guide of the remote control, transmitter, receiver, and hardware to hang the remote control handle back on a wall or anywhere possible. Hardware to hang your fan and your blades. With the Phillips screwdriver, we're going to take off the 3 large Phillips heads. With the tie wrap off and the cables slipped through the opening of the bracket. Align all 3 screws to the large heads. Place back on each large head into the area of interest. Turn around, place on the bottom like so, and we're going to put on the blades. Opening up the package, you have 6 bolts that you're going to use. You're going to make sure that the grain faces towards the ceiling with the piece here. You're going to drop in a bolt, grab a screwdriver, and place over the hole and tighten down. You're going to take the next bolt, place in the same way, and tighten down. You're going to repeat for the next 2 the same way. When all the blades are on, go over each one evenly and tighten down. 3 Phillips screws need to come out on a triangle. Unscrew and take off. With the plastic dome, unscrew, put to the side. Lift the module up straight to the air. Slide through and adjust to the holes underneath. Place each of the Phillips screws back on, aligning with the hole. The notch facing on top on both. Carefully align and lock in. Listen for the snap. The cover, place back on and rotate. We have a D35W part that we're simply going to take each of the cables, find the correct module and color, blue and white together, connect, and the red, black, and white, and connect. With the leads through the center and locating the holes, you're going to place your cover on. Our bracket is on. Let's go get our ceiling fan and hang up. With the leads of neutral and load, you're going to hook up. And hook your grounds up as well. With the 2 screws, place in on opposite sides. Now that we're all hooked up, the light is designed with an embedded design. It is nice looking, overall, simple looking and atmospheric. So with the remote control, we're going to show you what the remote is about and hook up the light by turning on. As we switch the light on for the first time, you're going to hear a beep and the light comes on. We have a nice warm glow going over the remote control, all off by hitting light on and off. It changes to the different kelvins of each press. 6 speeds of the fan with the on and off, a 1, 4, 8-hour timer, a forward, a mute, a reverse. Speed number 3, clockwise down for the summertime, and for winter time, counterclockwise to bring the warm air up. So this is speed number 3, nice and quiet, a very low decibel fan. With the lights off, you get to see what the fan looks like. Nice warm Kelvin, switching to the different Kelvins. Speed number 6. .42-inch blade diameter, 19-inch per blade to make 42-inch, with about 6 to 8 inches in diameter for your LED display that has a nice throw. Changing to the reverse by hitting the R, the fan slows down, shuts off. I'm going to do a smart check and swing in 6-speed reverse. Off button center shuts the fan off the blades. If you're looking for a fan, simple and elegant in its design, enclosed light, make it flush, nice round cylinder, flush mount to the ceiling. Check online for further details about your product, the makes and models the company offers. I hope you enjoy your fan if this is what you are looking for.